find the pharmacy?
The hospital pharmacy is located on the ground floor, just next to the main entrance, to the left of the reception desk.
Great, thank you.
Hola, ¿dónde está la farmacia?
Hola, bonjour.
Hello.
Allo, mi dispiace di sentire che stai soffrendo di mal di testa.
أعتذر منك. الرجاء المحاولة مرة أخرى والتحدث ببطء.
Hi, I'm looking for my doctor, Dr. Al-Salam.
Hello and welcome. Dr. Noor Al-Salem is currently unavailable due to an urgent operation, but is expected to be available in 45 to 60 minutes. Please let me know if you need any further assistance.
What I can do here for that 45 to 60 minutes?
While you wait for Dr. Noor Al-Salem, you can relax in our waiting area. Additionally, you can enjoy a 10% discount on food and drinks in our hospital restaurant or cafe using the code NOU10.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you need any further assistance or information, feel free to ask.
Hello. Welcome to the National Oncology Institute. Could you please scan your QR code or provide your identification number so I can assist you further? Hello, Mr. Ashraf. You have a scheduled follow-up examination with Dr. Noor Al-Salem. Please proceed to the second floor for your appointment. If you need any assistance getting there, feel free to ask.